Hi everyone, my name is Himani and currently I am in Canada. Once I got to know that I need to write the English proficiency. So that time I thought like, okay, let me go with the IELTS. But one of my friends, she suggested me that there is another exam called like OET. It's Occupational English Test for the health professions. So I thought, okay, let me try to find something from the YouTube. So I try to find the some material or like how does this exam work from the YouTube, but I didn't got like much information from that. So I again asked my friend like, okay, can you suggest me some like really good videos that helped you? So she told me that okay, you can watch the father's video. So she suggested she sent me like 2 or 3 different links. So I watched that videos and I was really impressed with his like strategies and tips. So I checked in the description that there was like a Telegram groups link. So I went on the Telegram and I joined that group. And after seeing that material and everything, I was really shocked. Like there was like more than 1,000 like the videos, and he's uploading like the live Zoom sessions, and he is really intelligent and like really he have the really good patience. So he is going in like he's deep diving in all the questions. So and he's teaching like almost like different like 3 or 4 different different styles of the questions. So if we don't know about the like one style, so we can definitely find the another type will be the helpful for us. So you can like this EduSkills, it's like the non-profit organization. So it's running by health professionals, for health professionals and from health professionals, and this platform is really helpful. When I started my practice for the OET, I can see like really difference right now in myself because of the father's strategies and his tips. Like I'm always following his tips and strategies when I'm trying to find the question answers from the paragraph or for anything. So when you can join his live platform, it's like the Telegram. So every day 5 p.m. we are doing the discussion for the from Zoom. So it's like under with his guidance. So that one, after finishing that one, he's helping if somebody have the doubt or anything. And even you can find like authentic material on that platform, and it's free of cost. It's nothing, you don't have to pay any penny or any rupees for that. And if you want to join this Telegram group, you can find the link on the description. Thank you.